Good morning, guys.
Good morning, Esther. Grandma's coming over today.
We don't know that. I wanted to ask you some questions. How do you like living in America so far?
Good to see Esther Grandma, and I like it.
Yeah.
But not with that color on the couch you did earlier, Abigail.
Yeah, I'm actually cleaning off some color that Abigail put on the couch with the markers.
Yes. That was not good.
Yay. That was not good.
How do you like living in America, Abigail?
I love doing that.
You love doing that, living in America?
Yeah.
Have you had a good experience so far?
Yeah.
But you miss Grandma and Grandpa in Israel?
Yay.
Yeah,
Yeah, me too.
that's pretty much the only
We
thing.
go to get Grandma.
It's the only thing we miss. Israel.
Yeah, miss our family in Israel.
Yeah, Daddy misses his family, not yours, because your family is here.
Well, they're still my family too.
Yeah.
Yeah,
How's it your family?
because I'm married into it.
Well, that's
His daddy's family is my family. Yeah. How are you?
But there's two Grandma and Grandpa like that.
Yeah, isn't that neat that you get two Grandma and Grandpas?
Yeah, but I'm not going to go on the plane again. We had to go over the
am not.
water to get to America.
That's right.
Yes.
You
we
know
need
how-
a choke. We need a choke.
Did we need a shark?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Eat that, friends.
Oh no, sharks don't eat our friends, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sharks can't live in water that's small pond. Like a small
No, they have
pond.
to have salt water.
Whoa.
Woo! Like
Can
what
we
is in
watch
the
Bits and
ocean.
Bits?
Can we watch Bits and Boots?
No.
Why not?
Well, Rafael's doing a puzzle, and I am fixing to clean this room and detail it and get it clean. We have some things down here that's going to be on FoolyFun. Grandma's going to do it with the kids. Grandma actually got you a whole bunch of stuff,
It's down there.
and I suggested that she do it with you on FoolyFun and make a video with you, and that'll be really fun.
I'll go get this snake for that nature. Alright guys, now I am filming, so here's my puzzle that I built. Camera has more light than it is in real life. So, I'll show you what we have got and what I looked at to build this puzzle. Here's what I did. I did all this construction.
Abigail, we don't walk on Brother's puzzle.
And what's this? This camera shadow, the black. Mouse dong. With the R at the end. Yeah, look at this dump truck. This is awesome. Oh, there's somebody driving. Wow, there's 3 instruction papers on this game. I mean the puzzle. Oh, we got another one. Floor puzzle.
It's that kind of weather again. It's got severe thunderstorms here and a rain that will wash. Like this much rain will just flood Israel right away. To add to this look, to finish, finally, the last few things.
And I got my spice rack again.
We got our spice rack up again.
Yeah, after like 6-8 months. I sold my spice racks, and I have missed them ever since.
And your magnet too, right?
And my knife magnet, yes. I gotta have these things.
Some of our greatest.
Our greatest joy.
We have these spices. They're kind of new, but that just should not go there. Actually, I will make the Old Bay go on that too, right?
Yeah.
So you'll have like a rack that I use and a rack that you use, but it looks
Yeah.
really good. Of course, you can't see it from far away, but I mean, when you get up there, it's gonna have a nice contrast, many colors.
I was getting you.
Yes, mommy.
Basically, I'm gonna take like all of these spices down and over here when I cook.
I need to get the scissors for a hole in it. And then
You do not. Abigail opened hers, and I bet that you can learn to be a picker too.
I'm a pickle.
I know you are.
I need to get strong.
You're the best of the best, Abigail.
Creme de la picker.
Yeah, creme de la picker.
Why are you calling me the best of the best? Like from too?
Because she is the best of the best pickers, but you are the best of the best mather.
And stronger.
Oh yeah. Strong and pretty to save the day.
Yeah. There's a strong zombie on Plants vs.
I
Zombies
just
too.
Spider-Man.
He crushes plants!
It crushes me.
So last night, probably didn't finish the vlog, we went to Ikea. We got this last chance, it said, because they're discontinuing this color. And this is a Himneys. I thought it was unfinished, but it does have a little sheen on it.
I did have to use my tooth a bit.
Oh, you did?
My tooth.
Yeah.
That's resourceful.
I need to use my tooth.
We always use the twooth. Abigail. Abigail?
Yes.
No. You did it. These are the spice racks.
Oh, there's stuff in here.
These were just a couple dollars, and you guys know these spice racks very well because we had them in Israel.
Wow, it's
called the Beckvam.
in here.
And I got 2 spice racks instead of 4 because we're not going crazy. But she can get it all the way down, and then you can finish it and make it tight.
Since I'm stronger.
Yeah, because you're so much older than her. Yeah?
I'm 4 years older than her. That
Wow.
means she's 2 and I'm 6.
Wow, that's true.
What did he say? Wow, you already know that.
Raphael. Raphael. Laffy.
That's not my name.
Are you Laffy Raffy? That's what I used to call you because you laughed a lot.
I laugh when I make jokes.
Yeah,
Finger jokes.
because you're funny.
You're laughing more than me, Mommy.
Because I like to laugh. It lowers your blood pressure, and I never had a problem with my blood pressure.
So it was always too low.
Yeah, probably.
Mommy, can I screw it up on the wall?
No, you can't do that, but you can hang it on the wall when Daddy puts the screws up. You can hang it on the wall for me. And then we can put the spices in it. You need to tighten it, Abigail, not loosen it. You're doing lefty-loosey. All right, that's righty-tighty. Make it tight, righty-tighty.
I was done before you, right, Daddy?
Yes, you were, Raphael.
Because it's faster.
Because it's small.
It's tight.
Smaller and
You got it
faster.
tight?
Yes, yes, yes. Can I turn the music on, Daddy?
All right, do the other one.
Music. My music's coming.
I'll put it on the counter.
She got my working face.
So, is Abigail angry like the Hulk?
No, she's not as strong as me. I'm stronger than her. She's not as angry as the Hulk.
Is she angry like the Hulk?
No.
Are you the Hulk, Abigail? With the red?
No.
We're lit up over here.
There you go.
Woo.
It's a funny Hulk smash.
Hulk's not funny. Hulk's angry.
You got it? All right, he's getting stuff done now. He's got the whole frame built in the time that it took 2 children to build half a shelf.
Yes.
Yep, you're doing good.
It was half a shelf to get here.
I didn't do it.
Here is how you do it. I think you just rest your hand here. And then you screw it.
That's good thinking. Good thinking, Raphael. Those are my most used spices. And I just want to say, there is a difference now in the quality of these lids. They are cheaper now. They are shaped a little different on the ends. And the jars, which it doesn't really matter when they're full, They're amber now. They're a little amber instead of white. You can't really tell. Like that looks like an amber one. These are amber.
All of them.
And here is a clear one. You can't really tell unless you look here.
No, you can tell on the camera.
Oh, can you?
Yes.
Yeah, so
The left
one's
one is
white.
darker.
Yeah, one's white, one's
One is clearer than the
amber.
other.
Yeah. So.
But having spices in it, don't
Yeah,
think it'll matter that much.
it's fine. It'll work.
So what kind of spices do you use? What do you have up there right now?
Oh, this parsley, paprika, onion, garlic, chili powder stuff. Chili stuff is gonna go up here. Turmeric, chili.
Cumin, paprika. you
Turmeric,
said?
cayenne pepper.
Tenderize.
Yeah, the off stuff and the specific stuff. Like I don't use chili in a whole lot except for like chili.
So one is
and
going to be
fish.
frequently used and the other.
One is like my specialty foods.
Yeah. If
Yeah.
you wonder what kind of noise that is, it's the clean canteen of old. Don't know if they changed it or not, but it sure does make a lot of noise. It has a little thing right here to let the air out. You don't vacuum it. Hey Abigail,
Hey,
what you doing?
I'm drinking.
You're drinking?
Yeah.
Cool. So today it's been raining for how long?
day.
About 4 hours straight.
All day. Yeah, from noon on. So we've been outside. I mean inside doing things. Hadar put some casters on some furniture. Looks really good, industrial. Instead of legs, because we couldn't find any legs, and my mom had casters, so I was like, yeah, that'll work. So what else did he do? He's about to hang a mirror. He hung this.
All of it.
He's done some other stuff today. I don't know.
Not
He's
much.
just been working.
Yeah, I've been doing stuff on the computer
Yeah.
and talking to some friends. Things in Israel aren't really good right now. What?
Can't really talk about any of that.
I've been talking to some friends today, and they're not doing too well in Israel because there is a whole campaign over there. So if you see this vlog, probably a week from now, you'll notice that stuff got really heated really quickly over there. And hopefully they'll all do fine. None of them is hurt. Everything's good with them so far, so good. Are you listening to me, Kitty? Kitty, are you listening to me? Kitty, are you listening to me, Kitty? Alright, so Kitty has been really comfortable, and every time you have a minute to look at the couch, because I don't like looking at it, every time you look at it though, you have a cat on there. In her special spot. Might be the only reason to keep this couch, because Kitty has her spot. Right, Kitty? You like your spot?
That literally is her spot, though.
Yeah, she loves it. I'm glad that she can find herself a spot. But if she's not a player cat, she's a killer cat. And she's not a cuddly little domesticated thing. She just happens to want you to pet her. That's all. Hi, Kitty. But yeah, the elongated cat, she's very comfortable. She loves this place. Is that Kitty your design?
Yes.
And so this color book gives you half and you're going to do the rest on your own?
Yes. It
Well-
doesn't even give me a clue.
Very good. It says use the grid to draw the other half of the face. And it looks really nice.
But I need to do the eye.
Let me know when you're done and I'll film it too. Looks really good. Try to make it exactly the same as the other part. The other half. Is that good? There's no sun this way. Certainly there's sun that way though.
Both of the cats are in the same position.
Well, it's dinner time, so go ahead and sit down.
I'll put my cat up.
Yes, you will.
That's a happy cat.
This one? I
Uh-huh.
think Douglas is happier.
This is a happy cat.
Happy cat.
Go sit down, Abigail.
Sweet.
Over here.
Why don't you give her a petting?
You know what's coming, don't you? Yeah.
If you ever wondered how to properly pet a pet or a cat, Andrea can give you a lesson on that. Too much.
He's scratching kitty.
Yeah. Good scratches. She likes it.
She doesn't.
You think these eyes are saying no?
Yeah. I'm saying.
I mean, she's getting a massage.
Yeah, she doing good. She's a very happy girl.
Tap on.
She is. Can you start?
I'll eat. Go ahead. Mommy rolled really nice tortillas for the kids.
Yep.
With some breakfast food. Any proteins.
Cute birthday.
Alright, I can't film you with your mouth open. So, 2 minutes later, she couldn't last 2 seconds with me doing that. She doesn't like me.
She does like you. You're just too harsh on her. You got the man touch.
Man, judge.
A
Milkshake.
milkshake, okay.
Yogurt or socks? Ew, socks is disgusting.
Bazinga! Good job!